Looking for a professional tart pan? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 best professional tart pans available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect tart pan for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list, we have the Montopak Disposable 53 Aluminum Foil Pie Tart Pan. The Montopak Disposable 522 Aluminum Foil Pie Tart Pans are excellent for big gatherings where delicious or dessert tarts in private quantities are desired. These quality tiny pie pans constructed of aluminum tin foil don't fold or bend during baking and, despite being disposable, give a lasting alternative. These mini tart pans have a top diameter of 5 inches and a sloping bottom diameter of 3 inches. The tiny tart pan's size and temperament make it ideal for making a personal-sized baked good without having to worry about a breakable presentation dish for an outdoor gathering. Each tiny tart pan may be stacked on top of each other for easy storage in the kitchen or garage, and due to its durability, it can even be placed in the freezer. The little tart pans come in a batch of 50 and are perfect for serving a large group of people without having to do a lot of dishes afterwards. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the Wilton Excel Elite Non-Stick Tart and Quiche Pan. Wilton Excel Elite Non-Stick Tart Pan is made of steel and has a round appearance. This product will astound you since it is not only a tart pan, but also a dish and a quiche pan. You may make whatever you want with this tart pan. It also features a non-stick coating and a detachable base, which may make it easier for you to remove the dish from the pan after cleaning. At number 5 on our list, we have the Chef-Made 9.5-inch round tart pan. Easy to remove bottom, as well as other features. This circular tart pan may be simplified for simpler storage, and the FDA has approved its own silicone covering. Perfect for your new home as a primary tart pan. This Chef-Made 9.5-inch tart pan has a removable bottom and can be simply disassembled and reassembled for storing and cleaning. It's covered in a food-grade silicone layer and is PTFE and PFOA free. The enhanced advantage is meant to prevent warping while promoting heat. Quiches, tarts, flans, and other desserts can be made in this pan. At number 4 on our list, we have the Fox Run Removable Bottom Non-Stick Tart and Quiche Pan. This Fox Run Tart and Quiche Pan has a removable bottom and a non-stick coating to prevent your tart from sticking to the pan. Because this pan is made of carbon steel, you can count on it to heat evenly, last a long time, and allow for simple baking. It comes in 4 different sizes: 4-inch, 9-inch, and 9.5-inch circular, as well as many rectangular shapes, so you can find the right fit for your recipe. The 9-inch circular variant, seen above, has a fluted pattern that is somewhat deeper than 1 inch deep. This pan is best hand-washed because it is made of carbon steel. At number 3 on our list, we have the Hamo Non-Stick Heavy-Duty Tart Pan. The 10-inch diameter of the Hamo Non-Stick Heavy-Duty Tart Pan allows you to bake larger tarts.
No matter where
the pan is non-stick and long-lasting. The non-stick coating is one of the best in the United States, providing security and durability. Furthermore, because this pan is EU LFGB and FDA approved, your food will most likely be nutritious. When it comes to durability, this model has Platinum 3x3 spraying technology, which makes it non-corrosive and stain-resistant. At number 2 on our list, We have the Allet Power Non-Stick Tart Pan with removable loose bottom tart pie pan. This is a set of 2 tart pans, and you'll be able to make more with this simple dessert pan. The pan's design and construction are excellent, so you may anticipate this item. As with the other pans we've seen thus far, this one has a detachable bottom. Because food might stick to the pan's bottom, it's critical to devise a strategy that ensures rapid food release. A removable bottom ensures faster cooling and, as a result, allows you to remove the food from the pan more quickly. This pan is available in round shape, which is the best shape for making the perfect cake. And finally at number 1 on our list. We have the Zenker Non-Stick Carbon Steel Flan Tart Pan. The Zenker Non-Stick Carbon Steel Flan Tart Pan includes 11-inch non-stick pans. It may handle warmth for up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, it has excellent heat conduction properties and may bake uniform products. The Zenker Non-Stick Carbon Steel Flan Tart Pan includes a non-stick coating that's PFOA-free. It includes food-grade material that's durable and powerful. The item comes from Germany and has been in business since 1885. It measures 11 inches in diameter and 1.31 inches. I enjoy it since it may be utilized for as large as 450 degrees, which is ideal for baking products at large temperatures. Additionally, it will come with a non-stick underside, which makes it a lot easier for baking products to pop out. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.